This is Becky with Egghead Fixers, and today we're going to be looking at this DEWALT 3-piece plier set. Now, this is from DEWALT's premium line of pliers. As you can see, this is how it comes. In this easy to open plastic packaging. Let's take this off so we can get a better look. Initially, these are very heavy. Feel like nice quality. Let's get these off of this board and take a closer look at each one. First of all, we have the diagonal cutting pliers. These have this really nice lock. Spring is very strong on these. Now, these are from DEWALT's premium line of pliers. Supposedly, these have more cutting power due to the induction hardened blades. As you can see, they look pretty good. Have a little piece of wire here. Oh, that does cut pretty nice. Now let's see how this does at getting the other ones out of the package. Wow. Should have done that to start. Now right here we have the Lyman pliers. Again, it has this nice lock. Really strong spring. I like that. I don't know if you can see it, there's a pretty aggressive pattern in here. Another really nice feature. Now the long nose. I have to say these do cut pretty nice. One thing I really appreciate about these nice grips. These really feel good in your hand. Again, these have a nice aggressive pattern here. It's really going to hold on to things well. And the lock is really nice. It's going to keep these nice and tidy in your tool pouch or your toolbox. We ordered this set off of Amazon. If you want to check it out yourself, there's a link below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That helps us to know if we should keep more content like this coming. And for more videos like this, please consider following our channel or becoming a member. I hope you enjoyed this review. This is Becky with Egghead Fixers signing off. And remember, tools are not just for boys.